there! In today's video, I will walk you through the process of starting an LLC in Hawaii, making it as straightforward as possible. So, you might be wondering why Hawaii is a good choice for your LLC. Well, the Aloha State offers some unique advantages for business owners. First off, Hawaii has a strong tourism-based economy, which creates excellent opportunities for businesses in hospitality, retail, and services. The state also provides good asset protection laws and has a business-friendly environment that supports both local and international commerce. Plus, if you are already living in Hawaii or planning to do business there, forming your LLC in the state just makes practical sense. Now, let me show you the simplest way to get your Hawaii LLC up and running. I actually recommend using Taylor Brands for this process. You see, they make everything super straightforward and handle all the complicated paperwork for you. The thing is, when you use Taylor Brands, you basically just need to fill out some basic information about your business on their website, like your company name and contact details, and they take care of everything else. They will prepare and file your articles of organization, provide you with a registered agent service, which is actually required by Hawaii law, and help you with other important documents like your operating agreement. What I really like about Taylor Brands is that they offer comprehensive branding services alongside their LLC formation package, which is perfect if you want to establish a strong business identity right from the start. Let me break down the costs for you when using Taylor Brands. So, with their service, you are looking at $199 for the basic LLC formation package, which covers all your essential paperwork and filing needs. Then there is an additional $100 for the registered agent service, ensuring you have someone to handle your legal documents for a full year. On top of that, you might want to consider their branding package for another $200, which includes a custom logo design, business cards, and other marketing materials to help your business stand out. The state filing fee in Hawaii is $50, which is actually quite reasonable compared to many other states. On the other hand, if you prefer to handle everything yourself, here is how to form your LLC in Hawaii manually. First things first, you will need to choose a unique name for your LLC. The name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC, and you can check if it is available through the Hawaii Business Express website. Next, you will need to select a registered agent. This can be yourself if you have a physical address in Hawaii, another individual, or a professional service. The registered agent must be available during regular business hours to receive legal documents. Then, you will need to file your articles of organization with the Hawaii Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs. You can do this online through the Hawaii Business Express website. The filing fee is $50, and you will need to provide information about your LLC's name, principal office address, registered agent details, and the names of all members or managers. Now, there are a few more things you will need to take care of. You should create an operating agreement, which basically outlines how your LLC will be managed. While Hawaii does not legally require this document, it is definitely recommended, especially if you have multiple members in your LLC. You will also need to obtain an EIN, Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. This is free and can be done online in about 15 minutes. The EIN is essentially your business tax ID, and you will need it to open a business bank account or hire employees. Additionally, Hawaii requires all LLCs to file annual reports. These are due by the end of your LLC's quarter, and there is a $15 filing fee. You will also need to register for the Hawaii General Excise Tax if you plan to conduct business in the state. Well, once your LLC is set up, there are some ongoing requirements to keep in mind. You will need to file your annual report on time, maintain accurate business records, and keep your registered agent information current. It is also important to separate your personal and business finances by opening a dedicated business bank account. So, what is the best way to form your Hawaii LLC? Well, if you want to save time and ensure everything is done correctly, I really recommend going with Taylor Brands. They make the whole process incredibly simple and provide excellent support along the way. Plus, their branding services can give your business a professional image right from the start. But if you are comfortable handling legal paperwork and want to save some money, the DIY route is definitely doable. Just make sure you stay organized and follow all the state requirements carefully. If you are ready to get started with your Hawaii LLC, I have included a link to Taylor Brands in the description below. They will guide you through the entire process and make sure everything is done properly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more business tips and guides. And hey, if you have any questions about forming an LLC in Hawaii, just drop them in the comments below. Aloha and good luck with your business venture.